Alright, so family, you welcome back to my channel. This is Smart People. For you guys, this way we'll do the smart way only in the comfort of our homes. Sorry guys, once we are connected to the internet, we make money with our phones and laptops. Guys, I've come to talk about a Syntech opportunity. Initially, when this platform was introduced to me, I made my research about it. I didn't really make much research about it, but because of the free hub kind of thing, I jumped in and introduced it to you. Then later I began making my research, and then guys, what I'm discovering is really amazing. All right, so if you can see, I'm not only on the free hub. I've activated two more 6 month hub. You can see them here. 6 months, another 6 months. This is the free hub, okay? Despite the fact that I'm ready to pay the $15 every month, I'm ready to pay that, okay? So I told you the only authentic way we can verify a platform is by testing or trying it, okay? So I dive in, and then I keep making research, and what I'm unraveling or what it is revealing to me per questions I ask the support and things, guys, this platform seems to be something, okay? Meanwhile, I must put up this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say or do in this video is about my own research, okay? And I'm reliable to my own actions, and so should you, okay? Now, we are on this online space to make money. All right, we are not here to waste money or to lose money. We are here to make money. So I've decided to draw a strategy for my followers, those of you who might want to take the risk as I'm taking. You know, I have gotten 3 hubs, but that wouldn't be all. I'll be adding more hubs with time, okay? But what I need you to do, if you are not a risk taker like me, you must just risk what you can afford to lose, okay? So I have drawn a strategy, okay? A 2 year strategy for us to follow, where we are going to, if we decide to follow, we'll all benefit and we'll smile. Now, what is the strategy about? This is it here. Guys, this is it here. If you can read my screen, I've taken my time to do this very well for the community, okay? So best Syntech strategy for over $2 million in just 2 years with just $100. Okay, so you are going to reap that $100. And so I've made this table. I want to explain everything to us and see if this strategy best fit we can go in, okay? But guys, before I go into that strategy, if this is the first time you are watching a video on my channel, you might be part of us, okay? What we do here is amazing, making smart money from blockchain platforms that are smart contract based, okay? In this case, we are sure of having value for our money, right? So click that subscribe button, hit the bell so that you are notified when we upload the video. Join the WhatsApp group. I'll put the registration link in there. Register an account and then come with us, all right? Now, if you look here, we have period. By period, you know, we are going for 6 months hub interval, okay? 6 month hub is what we are going to use for this strategy. So by period here, I mean, if you look at here is period. By period here, first period, second period, third period, fourth period. What I mean is, first period is the first 6 months. Second one is second 6 months to give you 1 year. The third period is third 6 months. And the fourth one is the fourth 6 months to complete the 2 years, okay? Now, here we have amount to invest. And then number of hubs you are going to buy with that amount. Then if you scroll up to the left, you have profit. And then we have to keep. I'll explain everything, okay? Now, let's assume we have $100 to risk, okay? Just in the first period, you use the $100 to buy 1 hub, okay? Now, at the end of the maturity, you are taking, your profit is $2,000, right? We are here to make money, not to lose money. So I will not advise you to re-employ every profit you make 100% into the system. No, we don't do it like that. We make money online to do business offline. All right? You cannot keep plowing 100% profit into a system online. All right? So what I would advise you do is Keep $1,000 from the $2,000. Okay, keep 1,000, and then the rest 1,000. What do you use? What do? You reinvest it. So in the second period here, you are reinvesting the 1,000 cedis profits that you made from the first period that you are keeping half. You are reinvesting half. So you are reinvesting 50%. All right. So you use the $1,000, and that should buy you 10 hubs. Okay. Now, when it matures, when that 10 hub matures at the end of the 6 months, you are getting $20,000 as your profit. What do you do? Keep 10,000 from the 20,000. All right. Keep 10,000 from the 20,000, and then in the third year, use the 10,000 to buy 100 hubs. I hope you are making sense, guys. If this video is making sense to you, give me a thumb up. Thank you. Now, the $10 will buy 100 hubs. That is for the third period. Okay. Now, that 100 hubs at the end of maturity is going to give you $200,000 as profits at the end of the third 6 months. What do you do with that money? Take $100,000 from it, and keep $100,000. Okay, that's the same thing. So you take or you keep $100,000 and do what with the rest? Reinvest the rest for the last. The last the fourth period. Sorry, not for the last, because maybe when the platform is still active, it will not be the last. All right. So the $100,000 now you reinvest it into the fourth period. And how many hubs can that give you? That is going to give you 1,000 hubs. All right. And at the end of the contract expiration, your profit is going to be $2 million. Okay, $2 million. Now, me, from here, I will not divide the 2 million and reinvest 1 million. No. I will keep 1,900,000, and then I will reinvest the 100,000. So from here, all I will be reinvesting is 100,000. I will not be greedy, guys. If I should reinvest 100,000 at the end of the 6 months, it should give me 2 million. Guys, that is a big amount of money. Okay, but from here you can decide. If you decide to reinvest 1 million, it is up to you. But per my strategy, in the period of 2 years, we should be making this amount of money, and we are mitigating. How are we mitigating? Because we are not putting everything back into the system. So we are balancing the equation here. Should anything happen, guys, we are safe. All right. So in total, you can see the total here in this column. In total, you might have invested $111,100. Okay, actually, it is not from your pocket. The real money you invested is the initial $100 here. But per the table, that is what it means. Okay, and so at the end of the 2 years, you have invested $111,100, and then you have bought maybe 1,111 hubs, giving you a total of $2,222,000. And then you have kept, or you are keeping, $2 million plus. So from here, you can decide to invest what you want to invest. Okay, maybe from here you can invest maybe 1 million every 6 months, but that wouldn't be good for me. I would love to invest 100,000 or 1,000 hubs, so that I'll make 2 million every 6 months, or spread my wings into other projects. Okay, so guys, basically that is what I want us to be doing. And don't be greedy. It is greediness that most of the time kills us in this platform. I have made my due diligence in this platform, and I realized that They are up to something. All right, they have a very big dream, long-term dream, and so we'll go with them. But anything can happen on the online space. That is why I drew this strategy for us to follow. I also want to tell you or to notify you that you must visit your hubs frequently to see if there is any time you have to activate or validate any of the hubs. Okay, as many times as you are buying the hub, you might be validating them. Another thing I must bring to your attention is make sure you are paying the subscription. Okay, once you buy a hub, make sure you are paying subscription. Even if you don't buy a hub and you are on the free hub, subscription is very, very important. All right, I will advise you do subscription. All right, guys, I will end it here. I'll be putting the registration link, right? It looks like this one. This is exactly what I'll be putting in the description of the video. The WhatsApp link will also be there. Join the WhatsApp group, okay? Create your account. Join the WhatsApp group and learn from there. Let's carry you along the journey of financial freedom. Guys, I'll see you in my subsequent videos. Until then, I love you. Bye.